Let's say you have purchase details enabled in your registration module. You require receipt approval for warranty to activate. To trigger receipt approval, follow these steps. Firstly, open the experience. Go to Build Experience, open your registration and email capture module. Go to Advanced Settings. As you can see, purchase detail is already selected. These are all the fields that would appear while user attempts to activate warranty. If you wish to review the receipts that the user uploads to determine their acceptability to make sure that the warranty should only be activated if the submitted receipts are approved, then you need to click on the checkbox Require Receipt Approval. In Pro plans, we also give you an option for AI Auto Approval. If you want a manual approval, click on None. If you want an AI approval that is more strict in its check, then you can select Strict. Alternatively, you have the option to choose between settings, moderate or lenient. Right now I will go for None and save. This is your experience. User would have to enter their email or sign up with their Gmail to get warranty activated. I'm entering my email and will be redirected to the purchase details. I will enter all details. I will upload a receipt and click Submit. Submission is successful. In the View Warranty module, you will notice that warranty is still pending for user. This is because as a brand admin you would have to review the receipts and grant denial or approval. Once a denial or approval is granted, only then warranty would be fired. Let me show you how. Go to the side menu and click on the Customers tab. In the Customer tab you will notice this red dot indicating that a receipt has been submitted and you have not yet reviewed it. Expand and click on this receipt icon. You will see the registration details pop up. This will be the receipt data. You can view the receipt, and if the receipt is valid you can grant it approval. When you grant it approval, in the experience for user, the warranty is activated. However, if a denial is granted, the user will receive a message indicating the denial of the warranty, along with an option to upload the receipt again. The user can then click on this option to submit a new receipt. In the experience, you'll notice the pending warranty status. Simultaneously, within the customer tables, a red dot will appear once more, providing you with the choice to either approve or deny the new receipt.